There were 5 little teddies snug in bed. One turned over and softly said, roll over, giggling loud. And off fell Teddy, right on the cloud. Hey! 4 were left, warm and tight. They hugged their pillows in the night. Roll over came the sound. And off went one with a funny bounce. 3 were left, oh what fun. They sang and rolled one by one. Roll over, shouted Bear. And one fell down. Hey! That's not fair! Hey! 2 were left, so cozy and small. They cuddled up against the wall. Roll over came the call. And one rolled down, bump and all. Hey! 1 was left, the little one said, I guess I've got the whole big bed. He stretched and yawned and tucked in tight. Sweet dreams, my friends. Good night.